This is my wind generator. It's basically two 6-inch PVC caps with about a 70s GM alternator mounted in it that'll put out about 63 amps. These are the 6-inch caps that house the generator. There's a 2-inch piece of PVC mounted in between them, bolted on by these screws here to hold the two caps together. This is the tail. I cut a U-shaped slot in this end to fit over this galvanized pipe, and I put a collar on this and put it together and put the two pieces down through and push this collar down so it would be in place. I marked it and glued it there. That's going to stay there forever. Now when I put these pieces together, this cap pushes down on that collar and holds this tail tight in place. I'm going to stick an O-ring on top of this to give it a little bit more pressure, and it'll help it out a little bit, I think. On this piece of the tail, I cut a slot, quarter-inch slot, and mounted this piece of plexiglass for my wind directional fin. I put a pinch bolt through here, squeeze it together and hold it in place. My generator is an AC Galco. It's an S10, puts out about 63 amps, and it's mounted to the other 6-inch cap by screwing. I had to drill holes through this cap and the front face of the alternator to mount it together. I drilled a hole in the middle of this cap for the alternator shaft. This used to have the pulley on it for the fan belt that turned the alternator in the car. Now that's going to be where my blades are going to mount. My blades were made from 6-inch PVC. They are filed on the back side, flat, and that'll reduce the noise when it's spinning. And this front edge I've got filed sharp, so it'll cut the wind better and be a little more productive, a little more efficient. Yeah, that's my windmill.